Are you claiming your OEX tokens every day? If you're not, you may just be sleeping on free money because OpenEX Exchange has released its native token OEX to the public in an airdrop program. In this video, I'll be showing you how to join the OEX airdrop to claim OEX tokens every day and everything you need to know about OEX mining. So the first thing you need to do is to open the link in the description, tap on the register and start airdrop. You have to sign up with your email address, and after signing up, you download the app. Once you've installed and opened the Satoshi app, there are 5 things you need to do to start receiving OEX tokens every day. The first is to log in, the second is to select your country or region, the third is to complete the face authentication to prove you're not a robot, the fourth is to start the airdrop, and the fifth is to add the OEX project. To log in, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen, then tap on Click Login. Enter the email address and password you used to sign up and tap Login to login. After logging in, to select your country or region, tap on Personal Settings. Then tap on Choose Country or Region. After selecting your country or region, tap on I'm not a robot verification to complete your face authentication. So this is how it looks like. You tap on Start Verification to start. And once you've completed the face authentication, go back to your airdrop tab by tapping on the airdrop and tap on Start Airdrop. In this case, I've not completed the robot verification. I'll show you how to add the project. To add the OEX project, tap on Add a Project and you see the OEX project here. These other ones are testnet coins. They don't have any monetary value. You can add them if you wish, but in this case, your interest is in the OpenEX. So you tap on any area here and you tap on Participate in airdrop. So that's it. You will begin to receive OEX tokens every hour. And this is how it will look like once your airdrop has started. As you can see here, you have get 1.6 coins. So to claim, you can come every hour to claim, but make sure you don't miss it for 25 rounds. Each hour is 1 round. If you miss up to 25 rounds of the airdrop, your airdrop will be suspended, and you can only receive OEX tokens if you click on the Start Airdrop again. Don't get confused. Once you start the airdrop after adding the OEX project, you will be airdropped OEX every hour, which you can come here to claim. As you can see here, I haven't collected in the last 15 hours, so it's asking me to participate in 15 rounds airdrop. So to claim it, I tap on the claim button here. As you can see, I have claimed everything. You see, participate in 0 rounds means I don't have any round of airdrop that is yet to be claimed. At the next hour, I will have some OEX to claim. But if I don't claim OEX after 25 rounds, it will be suspended and I'll have to start the airdrop again. So you can come in at least once in a day to claim your OEX tokens. How do you boost your OEX mining rate? You can boost your OEX mining rate using hash cards, gift cards, and referrals. On the Satoshi app, you have what is called your hash, which you can see here also. Your hash, also known as your mining rate, determines how much of your airdrop coins, in this case OEX. Okay, so in this case, it determines how much of your OEX you can claim per round, which is per hour. Remember, each round lasts 1 hour. So the higher your hash, the more OEX you can claim per hour. And you can boost your hash by using hash cards, sharing gift cards, and inviting more people to your mining team. The more friends you invite to join your OEX mining team, the stronger your hash will be and the more OEX rewards you will get. However, this only happens when your friends are actively claiming the OEX airdrop. In other words, only your active teammates can increase your hash. There are 2 levels of teammates on the Satoshi app. The first one, level 1 teammate, which is this. And these are the teammates who join the Satoshi app by using your invitation code directly. 20% of their hash will contribute to your team hash. See, your team hash is here. You have your personal hash, which is the hash you've earned via your hash cards, your gift card, and your referrals. And you have your team hash, which is the hash you've earned via the combined power of your mining team. You have your personal hash, which is the hash you've earned via your hash cards and your gift card. And you have your team hash, which is the hash that has been contributed from your mining team. There are 2 different hashes here, as you can see. My hash right now is 221.5k. My team hash is 20k. Now we have the level 2 teammate. Your level 2 teammates are those friends who join the Satoshi app using the referral link of your level 1 teammate. In this case, 10% of their hash will contribute to your team power. Now we move to using hashcards. Hashcards boost your Satoshi hash when an exchange is executed. You'll find several randomly generated hashcards with different hashes, okay, and you can have up to 5 hashes at once in your tool tab. You can see there are different types of cards. We have a B2 card with 1k hash, we have the ants card with 2k hash, we have lots of other cards, okay, they are randomly generated. The rate of your hash card generation decreases over time. Your first 32 hash cards are generated daily from the day you sign up to the Satoshi app. So you get 1 hash card every day until the next 32 days. The next 16 hash cards come every other day. This means you get a new hash card every 2 days. Subsequently, you receive 8 hash cards every 4 days. After that, you receive 2 hash cards every 16 days. And finally, you only get 1 hash card every 32 days. The more people you exchange with, the higher your hash. This means an exchange with 5 participants will generate more hash than one with 4. You can either initiate or join a hashcard exchange. To initiate a hashcard exchange, tap on the hashcard tab here. There are 4 tabs here. You have your airdrop tab, you have your giveaway tab, you have your hashcard tab, and you have your gift card tab. So to use a hashcard, you tap on the hashcard tab here, and you will see the list of the hashcards that you have. You can either initiate a hashcard or you join a hashcard. To initiate a hashcard exchange, tap the initiate icon there, select how many participants you want. You want 2 or 3, 4 or 5 people, then you tap on initiate. For the purpose of this video, let me use 2 people. Tap on the initiate button. Now you can see the hashcard exchange has been initiated successfully. See, I'm already a member of the exchange. I'm waiting for 1 person. You can only execute the exchange once your selected number of participants join using your exchange code. After initiating the exchange, you have to share the exchange code by tapping on the copy here. You can tap on the copy to copy the code to your clipboard, or you tap on the poster to generate an image, okay, or a QR code that someone can scan. So in this case, I just want to copy it as text, so I tap on the copy. You share it with someone who you want to initiate an exchange with. Once the person joins the exchange, you can execute. You can only execute the exchange once your selected number of participants join using the exchange code. For example, now that I've set my participants to 2 people, I can't execute this exchange until the second person joins. Remember, I'm also part of the exchange. So I'm 1, it's left for 1 person to join. So I'll share it with someone who is mining the OEX with me, and the person will join. Someone has joined my exchange, making it complete. As you can see, this person just joined. To execute the exchange, tap on the execute exchange at the top there. And are you sure you want to execute this exchange? Yes, I tap on confirm, and the exchange has been completed. As you can see, my hash has increased from what it was before. So you can initiate a hashtag to boost your mining rate. How do you join an exchange? To join an exchange, tap on the join at the top of your card here. Okay, for whichever card you have, you'll see 2 options: initiate and join. So to join, you tap on the join, and what you need to do is to copy an exchange code from someone that has shared an exchange code with. So if someone shares an exchange code for this ants card, you cannot use another exchange code for another card. You have to use the exchange code for the ants card. So you have to paste the exchange code for the ants card here. I've gotten the code. Let me see if this is going to work or if it has been executed already. I paste the hash card code here, tap on confirm, and I have joined the exchange. This exchange comprises 5 members. I just joined, making the second person. So we're waiting for 3 other people to join. So once these 3 people joined, whoever initiated the exchange will execute it just the same way I executed the exchange I initiated. So once the person executes that exchange, our soul power will increase. So that is how to join an exchange. Hash cards can only be exchanged once between the same two parties. For example, if I've exchanged a hash card with you before, we can't exchange hash cards again. In other words, if Mr. A and Mr. B have been teammates in an exchange team, they can never be teammates in any other exchange team. Let me use this example. This user here, as if this exchange is executed, I can never join an exchange with this user again, or any user that has joined this exchange, any of these 5 users. So that's what it means. If you didn't get that, let me use another example. Let's say countries are hash card exchange teams. Let's assume Mr. A and Mr. B have been in the Spain team once. They can never be teammates again. So if Mr. A joins the French team, Mr. B can't join as long as Mr. A is still in the French team, and vice versa. But don't break your head over it, okay? Just keep sharing your exchange codes and joining with exchange codes. Another way to boost your mining rate, which is your hash, is by using gift cards. If you exchange a gift card with someone, you boost their hash by 30,000, while your hash will be boosted by 1,000. So as the name implies, you're gifting someone, so the person gets more than you. And only one person from the two parties can use a gift card, and it can only be used once. If I use this gift card, I won't be able to use the gift card again. To use a gift card, tap on the gift card tab here, then you tap on use gift card. You paste the gift code in the box and you tap confirm to use the gift card. So once you use the gift card, your hash will increase by 30,000. Whoever gave you the gift card, your hash will increase by 1,000, and you won't be able to use gift cards again. If you've used this gift card, the option to use a gift card will disappear. To give out a gift card, navigate to your gift card tab. I've already shown you how to do that by tapping on the gift card button. You'll see lots of gift cards. You can have up to 10 gift cards showing on your tab at any time. So you navigate to the gift card you want and tap copy. You can either tap copy to copy the gift code as a text, or poster to share it as an image. So let me show you how it looks like. It is the poster just like with the hash card, and this is copying it as a text, which you copy the text to your clipboard and you share it with your friend or your teammate who hasn't used the gift card before. If the recipient of your gift card doesn't have a team or has 0 team members, and you join Satoshi mining app before them, they will become your level 1 teammate. So sharing gift cards not only helps to boost your Satoshi mining rate, it also helps you grow your mining team. 2 gift cards are generated daily, and you can find up to 10 gift cards in your Satoshi app. So let me use this gift card. I'll go get it from one of my friends and use it to boost my mining rate by 30,000. I'm about to use my gift card. So I tap on my gift card tab and tap on use gift card. I paste the code here. Watch my hash. My hash is currently at 222,000. So I paste the gift card code and I tap on confirm. As you can see, the gift card was used successfully. Watch my new hash, 252,000. So using gift cards boost your mining rate. As you can see, there is no option to use the gift card again since I have used it once. So that's it. Keep sharing your gift card. Sharing is caring. You grow your community. Everybody mines at a faster rate and gets more OEX tokens. If you're wondering how to exchange your hash cards or your gift cards, you can start by sharing it with your teammates. So you may have a group with your teammates where you guys share your hash cards and your gift cards, or you go to the chats inside of the Satoshi app. Not many people are aware of the chat. So how do you do that? You navigate to your team by tapping on the team here, and you see this message icon here for chat. You tap on it. You tap on my team to chat with your team members. As you can see, I don't have any message here apart from the gift card I shared here. So you can use this to chat with your team members, or you guys can chat anywhere else, maybe on Facebook or a WhatsApp group or your Twitter or your Telegram, wherever you guys hang out. Or you can just go online to search for people that are also mining the OEX. Unlike the Aviv, the Satoshi doesn't have an official exchange group. I haven't seen one yet, but the Aviv has. If you're not yet mining Aviv, start mining VV coins right now. The link is in the description. You can search for online communities, local communities in your area. You can go on Facebook to search for Satoshi OEX mining groups where you can exchange your hash cards and your gift cards with other people that are mining, not just your teammates. So you can boost your mining rate. In case you don't have much teammates, you don't have to wait. You just have to go out and join a community that is active and share your gift code, use the gift code, share your hash cards, use your hash card, and boost your mining rate so that you get more OEX tokens per hour. So that's it. This is how you mine OEX for free every day and boost your OEX mining rate. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in the Telegram group. Join my Telegram channel for more OEX updates, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, and earning opportunities. So keep claiming your OEX tokens, boost your mining rate, stay active, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.